Akucaci ukuthi lomhlangano uhambe kanjani njengoba abezindaba bebengavunyelwe ukungena ngaphakathi. Umholi we-DA uJohn Steenhuisen uthi bekufanele banikele enkantolo ngodaba lweVet futhi abazisoli ngalokho.
We only approached the courts in this instance because Cabinet wouldn't listen. We then wrote to Parliament and said the process you followed is incorrect. We warned them before the process unfolded. We warned Parliament again on the day of the vote that the process they had followed was not the right one. And we were left with no other option then. It's very clear we were from the beginning opposed to the VAT hike, 2% as well as the 0.5%. And I'm very glad that we now have had this about turn.
Amanye amaqembu angaphansi kwe-GNU ayigxeke kakhulu i-DA ngesikhathi lwela ukuthi ingakhushulwa i-VAT. USteenhuisen uthi bona balwela ukukhula komnotho namathuba omsebenzi.
So if Mr. Zibi wants to call me and my party extortionists, I'm happy to bear it. I am an extortionist. I'm an extortionist for jobs. I'm an extortionist for growth. I'm an extortionist to get South Africa moving forward so that more South Africans can get work and our economy can start to grow.
I-EFF nayo ibingelinye lamaqembu abengahambisani nokukhushulwa kwe-VAT.
The whole thing has been reversed. At the center of it has been 2% VAT increase, which we opposed. They came with 0.5% this year, 0.5% next year, which is 1% we refused. And they still did not listen. We took them to court. We told them, we're going to take you to court. They did not listen. We took them to court and we won even before the judgment was made.